Hey everyone, today I will show you how to transfer SUI from Binance to a wallet in under 2 minutes. So, the initial step is to log into your Binance account. Go to the Binance and log into your account using email address and password. Successfully logged in, it will lead you to the dashboard where you can see assets option at the left hand side menu. Click on the assets button and select overview. Here is where we will withdraw, deposit and transfer any SUI coins that you would desire. So here click on the transfer option. Now after clicking it, here is where we will select SUI option. Now search for the SUI coin in the search bar. After selecting the SUI, we'll write the desired amount that we would like to transfer. Okay, now once you have written the desired token you want to send, let's remember that we need to send this to a specific wallet. So suppose here we are using OKX wallet. Now let's go to the wallet extension. Once you're in the extension dashboard, now you will see the receive option in the dashboard. Now let's select the receive option and search for the SUI token. Once you have searched it, click on the SUI and it will provide you the QR code and also a wallet address. Now what we need to do is that we will copy this address and let's move back to the Binance and we will select the confirm button. Now, after selecting confirm button, it will ask you to write down the wallet address that we have recently copied. Paste the wallet address to the option and a pop-up will appear to approve the connection. Click confirm to approve the connection. This is how you can easily transfer your SUI to any wallet you desire within 2 minutes. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.